Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Temu coupons and promo. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Temu is a leading online marketplace for budget-friendly shopper looking for affordable product across diverse categories. The platform offers an extensive selection, provide direct vendor access, and delivers competitive pricing that ensures maximum savings. Current promotion provide up to 9% off through flash sales and exclusive discount codes. By searching for active codes, in this video, I will show you how to get the coupons, the promo on the Temu. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open the apps. And here's the first look on the Temu, the home. You can get the promo codes or coupon on the you section, your profile section. You can just tap on here and you'll find beside your credit balance there's an option coupons and offers. As you can see in here, I have 3 coupons and offers and use. You can get it. You can get the coupons, the promo in here for 300 dollar coupon bundle. You can get it. Place an order to get your benefit, and also this give all the promo you can get in here. Or maybe you have a coupon code. Maybe you get it from your friends or somewhere. You can put the code in here and apply, and you can use the coupon in here. It's very simple, right? There's so much coupons that you can use in here. So that is how to get coupons and promo on Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!